Hey, good afternoon, good morning, and good evening, everybody. So today I'm going to be doing a video on the all-new Peztio dash cam that just came out. It's brand new, 1080p, it's got motion detection with it, G-sensor detectors, so anything that happens to your car, it will pick it up, it will record it, and it will save it just in case you need to cover your own butt. These are on Amazon. It's a 5-star review rating on their old cameras. It's 5 stars on this camera. It's a really good camera, but it's straight on Amazon. They're only about 70 bucks, and I do have a coupon code if you want to save a couple bucks. It's GTV10JACK. I'll put the link in the description to Amazon, and I'll put the link to my coupon code if you want to use it. So let's check this thing out. So when you get it, it's going to come in a nice box just like this, and like I said, they're 5 stars on Amazon. They do have motion detection and G sensors, so if it picks up any kind of motion or if it picks up any kind of movement in your vehicle, it's going to start to record it. That way if you get in an accident, you're not going to miss anything, you're not going to be liable. It's going to show who was at fault, so that's nice. Like I said, it covers your own butt. Also, it does have night vision. It is 1080p, so you can see anything and everything. It's crystal clear, and it'll pick up anything at nighttime too. So if anyone comes by your car, you got someone looking out for you, you have someone key your car. I've seen it happen before. It can happen, so this will at least cover you, so make sure to check it out in the description. Got a ton of stuff on it. You do need a SD card for it, but it does have an LCD screen on it. It's a loop video. It does have color to it, so it's super easy to set up. I just set it up myself, and if I can set it up, anyone can set it up. So when you open the box up, it's gonna look just like this. This is gonna be the camera right here, so it's super easy to set up to your car. It literally plugs in to the outlet, the 12-volt outlet. It's got the front sensing camera right there. Like I said, G sensors, 170-degree view. It's 1080p. It's already got 3M tape on it and everything for you to put to your windshield, so it's super easy to set up. And it does record audio too, just in case you were wondering. It does have a mic. The LCD right there has buttons to scroll through everything. So I'm gonna set it up real quick. So under the box, you're gonna have your cable to plug to your 12-volt DC outlet. And then under that, you're gonna have another set of the 3M tape just in case you need it. And it does have an app where you can save and record directly to your phone. You just download it by scanning the QR code. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how easy it is to set everything up in here. All right, so I've never owned a dash cam before, but I'm gonna show you how easy it is to set it up. And the app, by the way, is called Go Plus Cam. So it's gonna be, you scan the QR code, it pops right up. It's gonna look something like this. I'm gonna show you a couple of views. I'm gonna show you nighttime vision, and I'm gonna show you how the app works, and I'm gonna show you driving and everything, how it looks. But first, I gotta set it up. So let's go ahead and do that. So all I've done so far is I've plugged my power into my 12-volt DC outlet. And then from there, they give you a really long cable. So, you know, I'm pretty sure you could plug it into the back seat of a limo and you got enough cable. So just in case you need it, you can run the wire however you want. It's plenty of wire. I'm just doing it quick and easy. So you can run it through the headliner, you can run it underneath, you can run it however you want. There's multiple ways to do it, so don't worry about that. So for me, all I have to do after I plug it into the 12-volt outlet is I just have to run this power cable into the camera. Boom, and that's that. So from here, I'm just gonna peel the tape off the back of it, and I'm gonna put it directly behind my mirror. So it's small enough to where you could actually put it right behind your mirror and you like won't even see it. So just for reference, here it is. It's tiny, and there's my mirror. So like I said, you can run the wire however you want, but for now I'm just doing it super quick. But yeah, it's pretty much all hidden right there. So to get the Wi-Fi set up, you just go into the camera, and from there you just hit the Go Plus button, and then you type your password. The password is going to pop up directly on the camera, so when you hit the Wi-Fi, you just type whatever it has up there and it connects right to it. So from there, you just pull the app up. So once you download the app, the rest is super easy. So once you're connected to it on Wi-Fi and type your password in, just hit that phone button right there, the little button, and then from here you can actually see this exactly what's going on my camera up there. So you can rotate this sideways, but from here you can actually decide to record right there, or you can decide to make a picture. So it takes pictures, it takes videos, it records audio, it's got everything. So to change all my settings, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit this button up here at the top right, and from here it's going to give me my options to change anything and everything. So I can change my resolution. If I want to save a little bit of memory on my phone, I could change it to 720p instead of 1080p. And then I also have my exposure. If it's too bright outside, I can change that. You can turn motion detection off or on. Loop recording, it does have that. You can record audio. You can change, like I said, the resolution. So if you wanted to save a little bit of memory on your phone, you can actually just change anything and everything in here, but there's a ton of settings for you to choose from. For 70 bucks, it's a great deal, and you can also save a little bit of money using that coupon code. Like I said, it's GTV10 Jack if you want. I'm gonna put the link in the description, so make sure to check that out. Also, from this menu, I can go in here and I can download any files that I've saved onto my camera so far. So I'm gonna show you a couple nighttime clips real quick, and then I'm gonna show you a couple daytime clips too. I'm also gonna go ahead and set this up to my buddy's drift car in a couple weeks, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna see how it performs with that, and I'm gonna make a whole drift video, so that's gonna be coming up probably in about 2 weeks or so. So keep an eye out for that, and let's see this thing in action. That's gonna do it, guys, but it's Peztio dash cam, so make sure to check them out on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description, and just remember, greatness takes vision. Whatever you want in life, put your mind to it and make it happen, make it yours. And I will be making a video on my buddy's 350 Z that he's gonna be drifting in a couple weeks. Supercharged, got a ton of stuff done to it, so it's gonna be cool. I'm excited. So hit the like and subscribe button, and remember, greatness takes vision. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.